Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video we'll learn how to set second space in Poco M4 Pro 4G and 5G smartphones. Without a further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to open settings, then click special features, then choose second space. Then click turn on second space. So it will creating the second space. So wait few seconds. Now the phone is switching to the second space. So you can use the password to switching between the spaces. Now you need to enter the first space password. Then you can enable the second space password and click confirm. So I will use my fourth finger to using for second space. So I will add my fingerprint. And click done. Now you can come out. So this is the second space. So in the second space you can use it like a second phone. So all settings or any other account, Google accounts, all things are available for separately. So if you want to switch between the second space and first space, you can easily lock the screen. Then use the first space fingerprint sensor to open the. So now the phone will open the first space. You can lock the phone. Then if you use the second space fingerprint, it will open the second space. You can see it will open the second space. If you lock the phone, then click the first space fingerprint. It will enter into the first space. So it's a very useful feature. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.